Okay, we are back with another update today of the markets. So I'm going to go over everything starting with gold. So we're officially out of all our longs on gold right now. We were taking longs from 4,400 all the way up to about 4,700 or so, and that's where we ended up closing. Of course, we missed a pretty big rally that came after, but we were up a pretty good amount of money, so price targets were hit, so kind of have to take those. But on the flip side, we did continue the longs on metals. So when this confirmation happened on gold here on Wednesday to Thursday, there was a better setup for me on silver that day. And that's where I took longs on silver from about $93 to close to $100, and we closed that. Again, of course, it went to 117, but nonetheless, we hit our take profit, so we got out. Ever since then, we've just been being patient on these two names, waiting for another setup. And I think that's what we got today on silver. We got a very nice pullback, and we got some momentum shooting up right after that. I'm looking to take more longs along this ride here, and I've already started to add in right at the Asia Open, pretty much when we had the momentum coming right back into the market with gap ups. So I'm long silver once again. Very big stop loss just because there is a good chance we do trail lower, and I'm trying to make sure to try to protect the position as much as possible. I'm not trying to get no big wins or anything. We've had a great month. I'm just trying to compound some more small wins and keep up with the market for the time being. So just going to all-time highs, we'll probably take our first profit at 1-to-1, which is a brand new all-time high. So we'll see how that trade goes. Next up, we have Bitcoin. Back in that range, basically in that not interested zone. So this is probably the 7th week now that we're in this area, just consolidating around. So I'm not interested in Bitcoin until we get a break once at one way or the other. Ethereum, same thing. It's going to just follow what Bitcoin's doing, so I'm not interested in that either. Next up, we have Open. I've started to take a position in this name for the long-term account. Just the first entry position. I didn't get too crazy with it or carried away like you might be seeing online. There's a lot of reasons behind this setup. I think I'll make a separate video about Open later on. But this is one position that I'm looking to document that I've started to enter in on. Tesla is still in that upwards channel. It's still clean. It looks good. If you're in longs, I wouldn't really close it here or anything. Personally, I'm not in anything right now, but I'll look to get in closer to an all-time high to try to get that push, because I do still believe that Tesla's going to make some new all-time highs very soon. DXY, big collapse. We anticipated this a little bit. When we saw price did this rejection here, I documented it as well, that I'm feeling that this is just going to be a big liquidity grab. We're going to collapse straight down, and Bitcoin, gold and silver are going to go straight up. And that's exactly what's happened so far. The fundamentals are working well. But yeah, I mean, the tariff news and things like that just keep continuing to happen. So the metals are going to keep pushing higher, and that's why I still expect metals to keep pushing higher for now. Even if they don't, it's worth the risk because this is crazy momentum, and as a trader, you just kind of have to go for it sometimes. And US 500 is back at all-time highs, basically. I'm not really interested in trading the indices at all-time high. I don't trade the indices much as it is, but this isn't an area that I would really be looking to go long or short. There's just not enough for me here to really take a meaningful trade. So that's pretty much it today. That's my quick update. I'll be back later this week to kind of tell you how my positions are going and what I'm seeing next. So until then, good luck on your trading.